Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake eggless. We'll start by exploring the fundamental principles of eggless baking, focusing on understanding the role of eggs and how to effectively replace them. You'll learn about common substitutes and how they impact your cake's structure and moisture. We'll also cover essential adjustments to your recipes and mixing techniques to ensure a delicious, perfectly textured eggless cake every time. Let's dive into some popular and effective egg substitutes. Applesauce, for instance, is fantastic for adding moisture and a touch of sweetness, often replacing one egg with 1/4 cup. Mashed ripe banana offers excellent binding properties and a lovely flavor, working well in similar proportions. For a neutral option, a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water is a reliable binder for many recipes. When converting a traditional recipe to eggless, a few adjustments are key. You might need to increase leavening agents, such as baking powder or baking soda, by about 25% to achieve a good rise. Pay close attention to the batter's consistency. Sometimes a slight reduction or increase in liquid is necessary. Remember, overmixing can develop gluten too much, leading to a dense cake, so mix just until combined. For the best eggless cake, always use room temperature ingredients. This helps them emulsify better, creating a smoother batter. Resist the urge to open your oven door during the first 2/3 of the baking time, as this can cause your cake to collapse. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different substitutes. For more great reads and other deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.